everybody. Today my name is Ryan. Today we're going to be going on a bike ride. Bike ride. My little brothers, Loris and Lucas.
Hello!
And we're just, if you do see yourself in this video, please do have like a big shout out. We are going to have like a little videos afterwards. We are going to be doing continuing doing Lego Harry Potter back. Because we stopped recording like halfway through. It's some like technical problem because my cameras didn't start working. So hopefully you can see this one. It is going to be a nice little bike ride that we are doing. And so I am just riding with my little brother Loris. Oh, that's Miles. Oh. And I'm here with my dad and my dog. If you do see yourself in this video, Joe, and you do want to have like a little shout out, just comment down below. Then I will give you like a little shout out. I will if not, I do start talking with you. Start talking with you. And then if you do start talking with me, because I'm on YouTube, that's fine. I don't really care. But make sure you don't have bad language, because this is on YouTube. So bad language we don't like. Just speeding up so I can catch up with my big brother. Have you seen how high up we are? This is awesome. That's lovely. This is a nice little view. If you do live around here, please comment down below if you can see a house somewhere. Comment down below. So hopefully you do like this video. Right? It's like a little well, I wouldn't say like a vlog. It's like what we do when I'm not really filming. So because we're like doing like a little kind of like sneak peek and behind the scene, and I'm just gonna tell you about the videos. I got a tight schedule, so most of our videos won't be long. Most of my videos aren't that long, so I just need to stop because my dad. I need to turn around. Where's Dad? What about Dad? Oh, there's Miles. So, never mind. I just found my big brother. My little brother. So this is that's my big brother. Like I said before, but you didn't really get to see him. I'm just got stuck in some mud. That's why I stopped. I need to get a little bit of stuff. Might give the camera over to Loris. You don't know what you've been filmed by, it's just a phone. It's my video camera ran out of battery. And this is the only thing that I got video on. So, and I know this can go on YouTube. But some of these videos were put out by my phone. Well, they're not too nice on me. One of them were from my phone and one of them were from the video camera. I'm just assuming in that tree. Boop, boop. just the hand camera over to Laura's. Laura's camera. What? This is Laura's cam activating. Now.
Yeah. That's Laura's cam. So.
Let me look at.
Laura's cam is like. So this is Miles. That's my dad. Not the dad. He's got a dog. Oh. Just so I'm just gonna take the cam back to Ryan cam.
Welcome back to Ryan cam. This is just my little family, and we're just going to go on a rope swing on the way back. So if you do want to see that like little behind the scene bit where we have some fun, then make sure you do check it afterwards. It will be right after this video, Joe. Okay, so this is like, I like doing these videos. I'm just going to stop and show you what Laura's is doing. Hey everyone, this is what Laura's is doing. This is Principals. We're having like a little game. It's like a little game here. If you didn't get to see my dog, then I'll just show you my doggy now. This is Brucey. Brucey, say hello to you. Hello. Yeah. Dad, say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
We are going to be like doing like secret videos. Shows that you are allowed to see, even though they're like behind the scenes with us and our family. Oh, that's a bad stunt for Miles. He rode from there, and he tried to rode up there, but I just stopped at the end. So, this is episode 1. So this is episode 1. Hope you do enjoy this episode 1. Or if my camera doesn't decide to run out of battery soon, then this won't be episode 1. There's Miles up there. Zoom in Miles. Yep. Zoom in Dad. Not Dad, Bruce. Zoom in on the view. No, this is like Laura's is currently stuck. If you do like this video, slam the like button down below. Even though the video isn't done yet, and smack it. Just tell me how you slammed or how you press the like button. So down in the comments down below. And if you do like these videos, make sure you say